Welcome. So the StevenAero Cap232 Micro, little plane, fun build. Found this at a swap meet and just had to bring it home. This kit was designed in 2008, so there were a couple upgrades I wanted to add from an electronic perspective, motors, servos, and such. Done a couple build videos. Those are on my channel. You can check those out if you want to get into more details. But in this video, I'm going to kind of just go through quickly the build process and then do some flight videos. There were some challenges along the way for sure, but it turns out it's a really fun plane. Really enjoy it. The build, for the most part, was pretty simple, except some of the reinforcing I did, some of the modifications I did, reinforcing the wing and certain parts of structure. A couple issues I did have after the fact during the test flights. One is the landing gear, very weak, and I did upgrade that with some stronger carbon fiber. The other thing I probably should have strengthened were the tail feathers. The elevator and rudder just were a little flimsy. Should have tightened those up as well. Anyway, covered her, made her pretty. Now it's time to fly her. Hey, if you like what I'm doing, hit the like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Thanks.
Alright, most difficult pain in the butt plane I own. This little Cap232 proves always to be a little challenging for me. Alright, let's see what we can do. Changed up a couple things. Got a nice lightweight battery, plenty of power, at least it should. I have to make that hole. Alright. And she's up. Just trying to get used to her. Flying around on about 75% throttle right here, and mid rates with a lot of expo. She's really sensitive, at least for me. Just trying to get a feel of her. Fly inverted. Oh, I'm happy with that. CG's good. Nice big loops, rolls. Sorry, she's kind of far away, guys, but bring her in a little bit closer. Got a little wind, and at a six ounce plane, just a little bit of breeze is going to be an issue for her. That's what I'm dealing with here. Yeah. Doesn't fly bad. I'm pretty happy with her so far. Kind of figuring her out. Bring her in here in a minute. With this little battery, I don't think I'm going to have as much flight time as I thought. I'm going to play around with maybe a little bit more on the rates for the elevator, or throws for the elevator. Help with landing, give it a little bit more flare. All right, I'm bringing her in. Let's check that battery. Got a little cross wind here. When she's bouncing all over. Let's try that again. throttle, third throttle. Oh, that wheel pant kind of flipped over on me and caused a bit of an issue. Yeah, these, jeez. Oh, well, that didn't work as well as I wanted. I've had some suggestions from some to just take off the wheel pants, and by golly, I might just do that because that's becoming a pain in the butt. All right. Finally, a landing that I don't destroy the gear. Oh, what a great day. So I think we're getting there. We're getting there. I think that battery is probably taking a big hit though. But what a, finally, a landing. All right, we'll see what else we can do with her.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, obviously leave them below. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.